Tuzoeshe. Na makumyabiri n'eshanu n'itanu.
This is Casanova.
Oh, this I think you saw him by yourself. You can tell by yourself that he is.
Do you still have doubts?
He still have doubt. That's the problem. Yes, he's even confirming that himself. Ubona ibyo ngatanga nk'icumi nk'itanu.
How long do they live? This is still the Casanova from 2003?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. The lifespan is around 45, well, between 35 and 45.
Oh, wow.
But when he came, we didn't know how old he was. Maybe he was like 12 or 13 or 15, I don't know.
So he's old.
He's still doing well, but he's getting old. But in his mind, he's still young.
Like all of us.
Like all of us.
He's a with the sunshine.
Hirya birakaze. Ibi nta bizaza bishobora ni nyinshi. Kazi ifite umuriro mwinshi. Kandi udabwiye ibyo ari byo ni kwihorera. Ni kuyiyumva. Ako uzabimenya. He's saying Akuna Matata. That's what it means. You can look at him, it's okay. Don't look down. No, he's in a good mood.
He's probably a little tired.
As the closest person to him, I want him to.
You want him to do what? Hungry Papa. Wait to look for food. To recover. Yani ikintu muziga umurondo. Look at that one, the other one, there's so many up in trees, eh?